Welcome back. Welcome back. You know him? Baz, I believe you know.
How are you? Very good.
Goran, Minister of Higher Education. Bani, Secretary of the Privy Council. Ran, my Chief of Staff.
You were here already, and I had to listen to issue.
Yes.
They have been taken care of it. And I arrived here around 10 o'clock.
Did you get some rest?
Unfortunately, I had to see some.